you. I can't imagine how life would be without you. You make my world complete. You